store in English. Can you see it here? Which makes it very suitable. Now, this is the product evaluation, which is the review. If I'm to click on it now, I don't need to start using any external app to do what? To browse. This is it here. Can you see? The logistics were quick, the goods were received, the quality were good, and they are very strong and durable. Can you see it here? Can you see all the reviews, including the pictures, and the reviews are in English? Do you understand? So it's now available for both Android, iPhone, tablet, or any laptop at all. It works for it. So it's now available. Any product at all is going to translate it. It's going to do everything for you. Even if you don't want it to be translated in English, you can select the language you want it to. I find out a very useful app that we can now start using to do what? To translate our Pinduoduo app completely free of charge, that you are going to be using to translate this thing into English. I understand the fact that majority of us are starting out and we don't understand all this Chinese app. You can see that if I'm to click on any product here, it's going to be displaying in Chinese language, and for us to be using an external app, or for us to be using maybe Google Translator to be switching in and out, might be very stressing and can be time consuming, and most of us does not even know how to do all these things, despite the fact that we have even paid for our for this training, okay, but we still find it very difficult. Some people can't even afford to do the stress by buying this thing by themselves or doing these things by themselves. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be sharing with you, and I'm also going to be showing you how you can translate your Pinduoduo account permanently to English. I repeat again, permanently, without using any external app. Okay, so join me and let's watch this tutorial together. All right, beautiful set of people, welcome back to another edifying tutorial. Get to meet me. My name is Samuel Joshua, and of course, this is the voice of Zionhublogistics Limited. Okay, so what you want to do, if this is your first time of seeing our content, what you want to do is to smash that subscription bell, like the video, share it, and also subscribe to whomsoever you think this video will be helpful to. Okay, so now what we are going to be doing now, I'll find out a premium app that you can use to translate everything on Pinduoduo account into English. But before we dive into it, remember that before you can do this, you are going to be having an account with these guys, and you can see that this is my account, and I've made a lot of purchases in the past. These are quite numbers of stuffs that I've purchased with these guys. So how do you sign up with Pinduoduo? One beautiful thing I love about Pinduoduo is that they don't take local shipping fee, and anything you are buying on this platform are highly quality compared to 168, right? So how do you create an account with these guys? I've already recorded a video on how you can sign up with your country mobile's number. If you're watching from Ghana, how you can use your phone number to sign up directly without using WeChat. Remember, we have two methods you can use to sign up, right? The first one is by WeChat. You can use your WeChat to sign up, right? The second one is by using your phone number to sign up. I'm also going to be leaving the two videos on how you can sign up under the description button. Okay, so once you sign up, then you have access to add your warehouse address. Another thing is to add warehouse address, right? So you need to add your warehouse address. I've recorded a video on how you can add warehouse address on Pinduoduo too. And as a matter of fact, how you can also do how you can add multiple warehouse address. I'm going to be leaving the playlist, all the videos I've recorded on Pinduoduo. So now, how do you translate, which is the major reason why we are here? How do you translate completely? Everything will be showing in English. Now let's go to the premium version that I wish to share with you. So this is the premium version, and this is how it actually looks like. You can see here, everything is automatically translated to English. If I'm to come to my chat here, you will see here that if I'm to click on this one here, everything is being translated to English. Can you see? If I'm to enter any supplier's DM, you will see that it's going to translate even without using any external app. This is the premium version. Is now available, but you cannot get it on Play Store. You cannot get it on what? On Play Store or on iOS too. Now, if I'm to come to my personal account here, you can see here it has translated everything for me. Under to be evaluated, let me click on see all. You will see here that it's going to be translating everything for me by myself. If I want to click on view logistics now, I can click on view logistics. Even without using any external app, everything will be translated to English. Can you see now? Can you see? This is everything in English here. Can you see them? It's presently translating it. You are going to be knowing the movement of your goods. If I'm to go back again, then go back to Play Store, Home Store, then go back to home page. Now let's say I want to buy this baby's chair. If I'm to click on it, without translating, I'll be able to read everything into details here, including the product review. If I want to chat the supplier, if I want to pay, I can pay. If I want to do anything, I can do anything at all. But the version is only available on premium. It's not available on the regular version. Do you understand? So if I want to proceed now by clicking on this spoon, I can also do what? I can also translate, read everything that is available on this supplier store in English. Can you see it here? Which makes it very suitable. Now, this is the product evaluation, which is the review. If I'm to click on it now, I don't need to start using any external app to do what? To browse. This is it here. Can you see? The logistics were quick, the goods were received, the quality were good, and they are very strong and durable. Can you see it here? Can you see all the reviews, including the pictures, and the reviews are in English? Do you understand? So it's now available. If you are interested, you can reach out to this. You can reach out to me on this number displaying on your screen here to share it with you. There's a way I'm going to share it with you, but please note, it's not for free. Do you understand? This is a paid version, so I've paid for it myself, and you can now start getting the sharing of the APK. So it works for both Android, iPhone, tablet, or any laptop at all. It works for it. So it's now available. So you can reach out to me if you are interested. So any product at all is going to translate it. It's going to do everything for you. Even if you don't want it to be translated in English, you can select the language you want it to translate to, and you will make your purchase successfully without any hassle at all. Do you understand? So the app is now available. You can reach out to me after watching this video on this number. Then we are available for what? We are available for consultation. We are available for procurement. We are also an exchange. We're also an exchanger. Okay. So I'm going to be leaving you with this video showing on your screen on how you can do what? How you can sign up a Pinduoduo account without WeChat. Please go and watch it. Okay. So I hope you find today's tutorial very helpful. If you find it very helpful, kindly like it, share it, subscribe, and also do well to follow us for more helpful videos like this. So thank you guys for watching this very video to the very end, and I will definitely see you in my next tutorial. Bye and peace out.